now considered as the largest. After 1977 election, the entire world accepted India as the mother of democracy. So the crux of democracy depends on the supremacy of people. People are supreme. So as far as people are concerned, this is their day. They will decide their fate and our country's fate. And I'm very happy to see that peacefully the Goan people, their civic conscious and their approach to democracy and even to opposition, ruling party, opposition party, whatever may be, cordial relationship is existing in Goa. And I am very happy that I have also shifted my vote from Kerala to here. Last assembly election this election. I am sure that the verdict of the people of India, everybody is thinking to become India as the Vishwaguru. Before the arrival of Portuguese people and British people, we were the Vishwaguru. 29% of the world trade was controlled by our country. We want to go back to that aspect, and now we are the fifth economy in the world, or even certain people are saying fourth economy. And our present setup is declared that within 2 years we will be the third economy. So we are progressing. Of course, democracy, different views are there. In a democracy, that right to differ is the basic right of a citizen. So people are thinking in their own line and casting their vote. And I am requesting all their people of Goa to take this opportunity, please not to miss the chance, and in large numbers they can go to the this centers of the election and cast their votes, and that way we can strengthen our democracy.
So now it's seen under this green board because it's a unique offer.
Under this election system of Goa is concerned, they are very particular to implement each and every minutes of the election system suggested by election commission and views of the public. So because last year also I had noticed that Goa, these types of intimacy with the people, identified with the people, and agreed that concept is very effectively they are doing. There are all instruments for this purpose, materials for this purpose, and awakening even the people also in tune with their life, and I appreciate that.
Thank you.